Okay lang?
Never slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I'm addicted to love, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the
Po ang nagmamanage dito sa Glow Up Salon. So, hi Ma'am Wendy! How are you today?
Welcome to Glow Up Lang.
So, yan guys. Welcome to Glow Up Salon. So, ngayon dito tour tayo ni Ma'am Wendy.
Glow Up Salon, we call it luxury affordable. Alam mo naman, along Riga, diba maraming mga competitors. Pero ang offer natin to our clients is they will experience the luxury services in an affordable price. And of course, we are using branded products na internationally known. Diba?
Yes.
Kaya talagang sigurado sila na mapapamper sila dito sa Glow Up Salon.
Products.
Ang
mga branded sa
yeah,
sure. So, hindi kayo mag-alanganin guys pag pupunta kasi napaka-friendly. As in, hagdanan pa lang welcome na welcome.
Naman.
So for sure guys, magugustuhan nyo talaga dito yung pagpupunta kayo ng manicure at pedicure kasi makikita nyo it's branded talaga. Hindi kayo magsisisi at napaka-affordable pa.
Siyempre,
so,
yung ating selfie area.
Ayun. Sa mga mahilig mag-selfie dyan, meron on the wall, so steady on the beautiful. Charing.
Pakita yung face mo.
Ayan. Di ba nakikita yung face ko, Dam? Nakatatapos kasi nakatakip yung ano. So, okay lang, kahit takpan na forever. So, saan pa ba tayo pupunta? So, dito tayo sa area ng...
This is shampoo area.
Yan, sa shampoo area. So,
shampoo area na.
So, napakalinis na naman talaga as in. So,
at ang ating,
so, which is ngayon naman talagang dapat ang kalinisan. Yes.
Facial room.
Ayan, facial, eyelash, and waxing area. So, mamaya guys, yan, makapag-try man lang ever since hindi ako nakapag-try man lang ng feeling ko gaganda ng aking mukhe.
Tsaka dito, pinapractice natin yung no double dipping.
Ano yung no double, ano ma'am?
Usually kasi syempre yung hygiene, lalo na this time yung pandemic, kailangan careful ka talaga.
Yes.
Tsaka even before, talagang dapat no double dipping or spatula. Once na dinikit mo na yung sa skin ni client, kailangan i-dispose mo
na siya.
So, dito,
panibago ulit na naku, napakaganda naman talaga guys.
No double dipping, kaya talagang hygienic ang ating process.
So, which is yun naman talaga. So, welcome to
our facial area, waxing area.
Facial waxing area. So, makita nyo guys, at napakalinis. Yan. Napaka-relaxing. At ako may pink na naman.
Actually, favorite ko naman Candice.
Favorite color niya. Actually, ako rin guys, may look sa mga kulay.
Yes.
So,
Kaya,
yan.
ano sila, comfortable. Ito yung ating line of facial. Isa lang to sa 5 lines of our facial. Ito yung brightening facial. Meron pa tayo ditong Hydra facial. Meron tayong anti-aging facial. Meron tayong detox. At saka yun na nga yung glow up facial. Dapat matry nyo ang ating offer
yes. Facial. At kailangan matry nyo guys kasi kung hindi nyo try, kailangan i-try. At least may experience man lang. Ayan yung massage and waxing area.
So spacious siya.
Napakalamang space. Napaka-comfortable guys na kahit pwede kang mag-ano dito. Magtumambling ka ng bonggang-bongga. So, at saka ano siya sa labas yan. Yung labas makikita mo, makapag-relax lang. Overlooking around yung area natin. So, ayan yung loob.
So, napapaligiran tayo ng mga hotels.
Yes.
Diba?
Tsaka napaka-easy lang i-locate guys kasi Alrigan near station lang siya. So, walking distance lang from metro station.
Yes. So, pagpunta mo dito, para ka nang nasa
So, yan. Ay, nako. Ayan. Puting-puti. Walang bahid. Napakalinis. At ito talaga, kasi which is pandemic ngayon guys, so talagang napaka-ingat at talaga, number 1 is hygiene. Hygiene tayo. So, yan. The next.
So far, soon magkakaroon pa tayo ng mga additional services. Pero sa ngayon, complete naman tayo. Magkakaroon tayo ng mga extra mga offers. Kaya dapat i-follow nila yung vlog.
Yes! Just comment guys sa mga gustong itatanong o mga gusto mga itatanong. Yan, pwede kayong mag-comment anytime. At ako yung sasagot. Walang atubiling isasagot ang inyong mga katanungan. Appreciated ko kasi napakaganda ng pagkalagay. It looks natural lang naman talaga.